welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I wanted to share 10 items from Walmart that I'm currently loving. These are items that I've picked up recently over the past 2 months for the summer season, and I wanted to shout them out because some of these favorites are currently marked down. They're on clearance, so you can score some major savings on these items that I would recommend picking up from Walmart. First, I want to talk about these white knotted sandals. These have been some of my go-to sandals. These are currently on clearance right now, which is great. You can score them for $15. I've got these sandals in a size 9, so I did size down. Normally I wear a size 10, so I would recommend sizing down if I were you. These are great. They're very versatile sandals. They're easy to slip on and they're very comfortable. I've been choosing to wear these basically all the time if I'm running errands. So if you still have a vacation you're planning for, I would definitely consider picking these up, especially because they're on sale at Walmart. They're comfy, they're chic, and they'll go with all of your summer looks. I will also continue to rant and rave about the Joyspun pajamas at Walmart. They keep bringing out more prints and patterns, and I'm definitely eyeing some for this fall season. Keep wearing these blue and white printed pajamas from Joyspun. They have 7% spandex, they're super stretchy, and they hold up even after tons of time washing them. They come in short sleeve styles, long sleeve styles, so whichever you prefer, there's a Joyspun pajama out there for you. These are affordable, and they definitely compare to Nordstrom quality pajamas. A shoulder bag that I cannot stop wearing is this rattan raffia one. It's $17 from the Time and True line at Walmart. This has just been going with all of the summer looks that I've been putting together, all of my little summer dresses. I will definitely share some examples of how I've worn this purse. Definitely check out this shoulder bag. It comes in other styles, but I do believe that this raffia one is the last one left. One of my favorite lines to shop at Walmart is Free Assembly because they make cotton material that is lightweight and breathable, especially here in hot Florida. And I was so excited to get my hands on this black and white gingham printed skirt. I wore this out when we were going to a coffee shop by the beach, and I paired it with a black bodysuit that's also from Walmart. This skirt fits true to size. I have it on in a medium. I also like how you can adjust the tie in the front. It's got ruffles and smocking all the way around, so it's very easy to slip on, comfortable for all day, and it's chic because gingham is a trend for this summer. Another purse favorite, this is a great one from Time and True. It's a crossbody bag, and it's very designer inspired. It reminds me of Rebecca Minkoff or Tory Burch, but this is $23 at Walmart. I'm so glad it is still coming in and out of stock, so definitely make sure to follow along. I will update you when items go in stock on my community tab. This purse is great. It's neutral, it goes with everything, and it's a nice elegant way to dress up a look, especially if you're going out for the evening. You can fit so much inside this. I fit my phone, my wallet, my keys, everything very easily, and also there's room for more. With accessories, these little gold earrings are under $4, and I had to grab them because they reminded me of Kendra Scott. They're lightweight. I've been wearing these earrings as like my go-to everyday earrings ever since I picked them up. I also styled them for some Walmart content that I had on Instagram, so if you follow me, you will see how I wore these earrings with those looks. My handle is at affordablebyamanda, so make sure to check me out on Instagram. Definitely consider looking at Time and True if you want some affordable pieces when it comes to accessories that are on trend. They do a really good job of releasing some new items that are always under $10. Another little skirt moment is this mini skirt from Free Assembly, under $30. I like that it's white, it's neutral, goes with everything. It's not see-through, which I definitely can appreciate with a white piece of clothing. You know, it's double layered, it's lightweight, and I loved how I styled it recently with a crochet knit tank that's in a navy tone from Free Assembly as well. This skirt has tons of stretch and it has an elastic waistband at the top. You can adjust it with the tie. I got this in a size medium. I would also consider going down a size if you are in between. It ran a little bit big, but it was comfortable and I like the length to it. You know, it is a mini skirt, but I felt comfortable in it. It wasn't too short for me. This dress, I don't think I've had an item of clothing get so many interactions on Instagram stories when I shared it. Maybe it's because I was really tan when I was filming this, but this active dress from Walmart got so much love and it keeps coming in and out of stock in different sizes. So I will update you in that community tab when it comes back in stock. Walmart is usually pretty good about bringing very popular items back, especially from the Avia brand. I loved the green tone. This reminds me of Abercrombie. It has built-in biker shorts as well. So at first I got a large for this active dress, but honestly I went and returned the large and I sized down down to a medium. It's got a built-in shelf bra, biker shorts, and it also has a phone pocket in the biker shorts. So if you don't want to spend a lot of money on like the Abercrombie version of activewear, look to the Avia brand at Walmart. I'll have some of my favorites linked down below. This dress that I'm wearing is also a find from Walmart, this little blue number. This is from the brand PRETTYGARDEN, and they recently launched at Walmart. This is a brand I already love on Amazon, and now they're available to shop at Walmart, which I'm super excited about. I love their dresses. They're really beautiful pieces. And this is going to be great if you're a teacher going back to school in the fall. Definitely recommend this pretty shift dress. It's long, it's got a nice maxi length to it. The color is beautiful as well. I'm really into these seaside ocean tones right now. I think this works for summer into fall. Another standout piece from Walmart is this orange printed smocked midi dress. So good. My friend Jen shared it and I had to order it for myself. I wore this out to the beachside coffee shop. This dress also has a solid layer of fabric underneath, so it's not see-through. I love the orange print. Yes, I'm in Florida, so it felt very tropical that I was wearing this. The smocking on the front is really stretchy and it has adjustable spaghetti straps for under $20. This is a must-have for me for the summertime. I'll have all of these 10 items that I'm loving from Walmart linked down below in the description box and also in a pinned top comment. If you love Walmart fashion, consider hitting that red subscribe button to stick around. I share tons of affordable fashion here on my channel, and I'd love to have you join our fashion community. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video.